Hello viewers, Namaste, I'm your friend Adhiraj. As you all know that I translate my mother's video of Frolic stage on Frolic Smile. So today, I came up with a very refreshing and heavenly drink known as jasmine syrup. Do try this amazing drink and don't forget to subscribe your own channel Frolic Smile. Thank you. For making jasmine syrup, we will take 50 grams of jasmine flower. Remove all the petals and clean them with clean water. Now add 1 liter of water and petals into the cooking vessel and let it boil onto the stove. Friends, this syrup helps to keep really cool in hot summer because it has cooling effect. Now as you can see, the flour has been boiled up. We will add 1 kg of sugar in it. While mixing it regularly, we have to melt the sugar in it. We will boil it again for 5 to 7 minutes as we did not used any preservative in this. So sugar will work as a preservative agent in this syrup. Now at this stage we will add a pinch of citric acid in it, as it will help to remove the dust from the syrup and will also help that the sugar should not be crystallized again in the syrup. Friends, citric acid also enhances the transparency of the syrup. Now to check the syrup if it's ready, take a little of syrup in thumb and finger, and if it's sticky like this, then our syrup is ready. Close the stove, and now we will filter this hot syrup so that we can take out all of the syrup from these flowers. See friends, now our jasmine syrup has cooled down. Now after cooling down, we will pour this into the bottle in which we want to store it. We can store this syrup for 2 years. Friends, as you can see, we did not use any preservative or color in this syrup. So it is very pure jasmine syrup with lots of coolness in it. You will get it once you will prepare and taste it. Now let me show you how to serve this amazing heavenly jasmine syrup. Take 1/4 portion of syrup in cups you want to serve it. Here I have taken earthen cups called cooler. Add crushed ice and water to fill it. Now mix them well. So friends, now our cooling drink is ready. I promise you won't forget this drink ever, as it's very refreshing. Try this amazing recipe and I bet you will fall in love with this heavenly drink. Do share your valuable comments with me and don't forget to subscribe Frolic Smile for upcoming amazing recipes. Thank you.